could be taking control, yeah.
So hey guys, OnePlus has continuously been a point of attraction in this whole year. Firstly with the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. Now OnePlus started getting attentions for the OnePlus 80 and 80 Pro. We has gotten our very first leaks of the OnePlus 80 Pro. So let's start the video. OnePlus is leading in flagship and mid-range. In flagship with their number series, in mid-range with their Note series. When the OnePlus Note hype is getting settled, we are starting to get the leaks of the OnePlus 80 and 80 Pro. So let's move on the leaks. We have the camera specifications of the OnePlus 80 series. The OnePlus 80 and 80 Pro may features a 64 megapixel sensor. XDA developers leaked code of the OnePlus camera app having version 5.4.2.3. Leak says that OnePlus is making the way to 64 megapixel camera setup on their 80 and 80 Pro series. You are going to see Snapdragon 865 Plus on the 8 because of an unknown OnePlus device listed on Geekbench having 912 single core score and 3288 multi score with the model number OnePlus KB2001. Recently, a tipster has tweeted a model name of the OnePlus device's kebab, which is similar with the device that listed on the Geekbench having the model number KB2001. Also, the code name of the processor is Kona. By the way, Kona is the model name of the Snapdragon 865 series. Move on battery department. According to a big leak, One Mobiles has confirmed that OnePlus could feature a massive 4850 mAh battery with the support of 65-watt charger in box. Guys, let's see what OnePlus is gonna to do with the OnePlus 80 series. These devices may launch at the end of September or the first week of the October, but nothing is confirmed. And now let's talk about its price. So the OnePlus 80 and 80 Pro may come with the price tag of $700. So $700 for the OnePlus 80 series is good. So what you say, just tell me in the comment box. It's all for today guys. If you like the video, so do hit that subscribe button and also press that bell icon so you never miss any updates of my channel. So bye and see you all in the next video.